Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Igbo with IJ. Today I'll be reading through my book, Everyday Igbo Words for Beginners. This book was written with new Igbo learners in mind. I try to incorporate every word that I use, the words that I use every day in this book. Your child will learn everyday Igbo words when they start reading this book. Please buy for your friends. Please buy for your nephews, your nieces, your own children. Use it as a gift. And I hope you learned something from this book and this video. Please leave a comment on how much you are progressing or how much you like the book. It's available on Amazon, Walmart, Target, Barnes and Nobles online. Thank you. Thank you so much for your patronage. Thank you. I hope you learn Igbo from this. Thank you so much. And watch out for my other videos. Thank you. The first letter of the Igbo alphabet is the letter A. A. First example, Aka. Aka, hand. Used in phrase or sentence. Enwere m aka abụọ. Enwere m aka abụọ. I have two hands. Second example, abidi. Abidi. Used in phrase or sentence. Amụtala m abidi Igbo. Amụtala m abidi Igbo. I have learned the Igbo alphabet. Godibano. Thank you. The second letter of the Igbo alphabet is B. B. Example number 1. Biko. Biko, please. Used in phrase or sentence. Biko nyem ego. Biko nyem ego. Please give me money. Second example. Bia. Bia, come. Used in phrase or sentence. Bia eba. Bia eba. Come here. Ngwanu, Godibano. Thank you. Today's letter is Che. Che. Chere. Wait. Cho. Look. Biko cherem. Please wait for me. Biko chọọ achịcha ahụ. Please look for that bread. Chi chere. Chi chọọ. All right. This next letter is the letter D. D. This is the letter D in the English alphabet. In the Igbo alphabet, this letter is D. Example number 1. Dinta. Dinta, hunter. Used in phrase or sentence. Dinta butere anụ. Dinta butere anụ. The hunter captured some meat. Example number two. There, there, right. There, right. Used in phrase or word sentence. There, abidi. There, abidi. Write the Igbo alphabet. De, dinta. De, de. Thank you. Dalana. Today's letter is the letter E. E. Example. E. Ego. Money. Ego de mkpa. Money is important. Eze. Ezem dị ọcha. My teeth are clean. Ego. Eze. Dalunu. Thank you. Today's letter is the letter Fe. Fe. Fonyo. Blow out. Fonyo ọkụ. Blow out the light. Fonyo ọkụ. Blow out the light. Fair. Fair. To wave. Fair akagi. Wave your hand. Fair akagi. Wave your hand. Fe. Fonyo. Fe. Fair. Thank you. Godibana. The Igbo letter Ge. Ge. Gara. Went. Gara. Went. Ha gara ebe a na-agba egwu. They went to a dance party. Ha gara ebe a na-agba egwu. They went to a dance party. Gwuo egwu. Play. Gaa gwuo egwu. Go and play. Gaa gwuo egwu. Go and play. Gị gara. Gị gwuo egwu. Thank you. The next letter is Gbe. Gbe. Example. Gbaghara. Forgive. Biko gbagharam. Please forgive me. Biko gbagharam. Please forgive me. Gbaa ọsọ. Run. Gbaa ọsọ. Run. Ị nwere ike ịgba ọsọ? Can you run? Ị nwere ike ịgba ọsọ? Can you run? Gbe. Gbaghara. Gbe. Gbaa ọsọ. Daalụnụ. Thank you. Today we are talking about the letter He. He. Example. Yeah. Yeah. Fry. Achọrọ m ighe ji. I want to fry yam. Achọrọ m ighe ji. I want to fry yam. Second example, ghọta, understand. Ana m aghọta Igbo. I understand Igbo. Ana m aghọta Igbo. I understand Igbo. He, yeah, he, ghọta. Daalụnụ. Thank you. All right, this is for the Igbo letter gwe, gwe, gwa, tell, gwa, tell. Gwa m aha gị. Tell me your name. Gwa m aha gị. Tell me your name. You can use this example when you meet somebody for the first time. You can ask them, Gwa m aha gị. Tell me your name. Second example, gwuo, gwuo, swim. Ka anyị gaa gwuo mmiri. Let us go swimming. Ka anyị gaa gwuo mmiri. Let us go swimming. Gwe, gwa, gwe, gwuo. Godibana. Thank you. All right, this is for the letter H. He, hapụ. Example, hapụ, leave, hapụ, release. Hapụ ya, leave it. Hapụ ya, release it. Hapụ means two different, you can use it in two different ways in Igbo. Hapụ, leave. Hapụ, release. Hie ụra, to sleep. Ha na-ehi ụra. They are sleeping. Hie ụra, to sleep. Ha na-ehi ụra. They are sleeping. Ha, hapụ. Ha, hie ụra. Daalụnụ. Thank you. Okay, the letter is E. E. Example, iko, cup. Iko, cup. Iko dị na iche iche. There are different types of cups. Iko dị na iche iche. There are different types of cups. Ijeoma, safe journey. Aha m bụ Ijeoma. My name is Ijeoma. Ijeoma, safe journey. Iko, cup. Daalụnụ. Thank you. This is for the letter A. A. Notice how this I has a dot at the bottom. A. Ịfụnanya, love. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. I love you. A. Ịgba, drum. Ịkụ ịgba na-amasị m. I like playing drums. Ịgba, drum. Ịkụ ịgba na-amasị m. I like playing drums. Ịfụnanya, A. Igba. Dalonu. Thank you. All right. Welcome back to Learn Igbo with IJ. Today we'll be talking about the letter J in the Igbo alphabet. In the English alphabet, this is the letter J. In Igbo, this is J, J. Example, G, yam, G, yam. Anyị na-eri ji. Anyị na-eri ji. We are eating yam. Ji bekee, potato. Ji bekee, potato. Iri ji bekee na-amasị m. I like eating potato. Iri ji bekee na-amasị m. I like eating potato. Thank you. Daalunu. All right. The next letter is the letter K. K. In English, this is K. K. In Igbo, this is K. Example, kedu, kedu, how. Kedu ka ị mere? Used in sentence. Kedu ka ị mere? How are you doing? Second example, kọwaa, kọwaa, explain. Used in sentence. Biko bịa kọwaa ihe a nke ọma. Biko bịa kọwaa ihe a nke ọma. Please come and explain this thing well. K. Kedu. K. Kọwaa. Daalunu. Thank you. Welcome back. Our next letter is B. B. This in the English alphabet, these are two letters, or this is two letters, K and P. But in the Igbo alphabet, this is one letter, B. Example, Bo, call, Bo, call. How to use it in sentence. Nne gị na-akpọ gị. Nne gị na-akpọ gị. Your mom is calling you. Second example, kpakpando, kpakpando, star. How to use it in a sentence. Kpakpando apụtala n'eluigwe. Kpakpando apụtala n'eluigwe. The star is out in the sky. Kpee, kpọọ, kpee, kpakpando. Thank you. Daalunu. Our next letter is Kwe. Kwe. Just like the last letter, Be. This one is KW. KW. In Igbo language, this is Kwe. Kwe. Example, Kwa. Kwa. Push. Used in sentence. Kwa ya aka. Kwa ya aka. Push it with your hands. Push it with your hands. Second example. Kwa, kwa, wash. Used in sentence. Kwọọ aka gị. Kwọọ aka gị. Wash your hands. Kwee, kwaa, kwee, kwọọ. Daalụnụ. Thank you. Welcome back to today's Igbo learning. Today we'll look at the letter le. Le. This is your English letter L. L. In the Igbo alphabet, this is le. Le. Example. Lee anya. Lee anya. Look. Used in sentence or phrase. Lem anya. Lem anya. Look at me. Second example. Lo. Lo. That means to swallow. Lo. Swallow. Used in a phrase. Lo nri gị. Lo nri gị. Swallow your food. Lee. Example. Lee anya. Look. Lee. Example. Lo. Swallow. Ngwanụ, ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. Okay, today we'll be talking about the letter me. Me. This is the letter M in the English alphabet. In the Igbo alphabet, this letter is me. Me. Example. Mba. Mba. No. Mba. No. Used in phrase. Asịrị m ya mba. I told her or him no. Mba. No. Used in a phrase or sentence example. Asịrị m ya mba. I told her or him no. Second example. Mkpụrụ. Seed. Mkpụrụ. Seed. Used in a phrase or sentence example. Akụrụ m mkpụrụ. I planted a seed. Mkpụrụ. Seed. Akụrụ m mkpụrụ. I planted a seed. The letter me. Example. Mba. No. Mkpụrụ. Seed. Ngwan, ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. Daalụ. Welcome back to Learn Igbo with IJ. Today's Igbo letter is ni. Ni. This is the English letter N. N. In Igbo letters, this letter is ni. Ni. Used in an example. Nkịta. Nkịta. Dog. Used in sentence example. Anyị nwere nkịta. Anyị nwere nkịta. We have a dog. This one is for dog lovers. You can tell somebody, Anyị nwere nkịta. We have a dog. Used in a word. Example. Ngaji. Spoon. Ngaji. Spoon. Enwere m ngaji. Enwere m ngaji. I have a spoon. Ni. Ni. Example. Nkita. Dog. Ni. Example. Ngaji. Spoon. Ngwanu. Godibanu. Thank you. This next letter is the letter N. N. When you see this letter, you have to it comes out through your nose. This is one of those you have to use your nose in speaking or making the pronunciation. So this is between the letter N and the letter N. N. So it's an N with a line on top and with the little squiggly line on top. We don't have this letter in the English alphabet. We only have N. The Igbo alphabet, the letter N has variations. So this is the first variation. There are three variations of the letter N in the Igbo alphabet, and this is the first one. So this letter is the letter N. N. Used in a word example. Ngo. Ngo. Drink. To be used in a phrase example. Ngo mmiri. Ngo mmiri. Drink water. Ngo. Drink. Ngo mmiri. Drink water. The second example. Ngoria. Ngoria. Rejoice. Used in a phrase example. Ka anyị ṅụrịa. Ka anyị ṅụrịa. Let us rejoice. The letter N. N. Used in examples. Ṅụọ. Drink. Ṅụrịa. Rejoice. Ngwanu. Godibanu. Thank you. Today's letter is the letter W. W. This is the second variation of the letter N. N. Like I said, the Igbo alphabet, the letter N of the Igbo alphabet has three variations. So this is the second one of those variations. The letter W. W. Example. Word example number 1. Nwa. Nwa. Child. Used in a phrase or sentence. Abum nwa mmadụ. Abum nwa mmadụ. I am someone's child. Nwa. Child. Abum nwa mmadụ. I am someone's child. Second example. Nwere. Have. Nwere. Have. Used in a phrase or sentence. Enwere m eze. I have teeth. Enwere m eze. I have teeth. The letter W. First example. Nwa. Second example. Nwere. Ngwanu. Godibanu. Thank you. The next letter and the last variation of the letter N This is the letter nye, nye, used in an example. Nye, nye, give, nye, give. Used in a sentence or phrase. Nye nwa ahụ nri. Nye nwa ahụ nri. Give that child food. Nye, give. Nye nwa ahụ nri. Give that child food. Second example. Nyoo, nyoo, peep. Used in a phrase or sentence. Nyopụ anya n'ụzọ. Nyopụ anya n'ụzọ. Peep through the door. Nyoo, peep. Nyopụ anya n'ụzọ. Peep through the door. The Igbo letter and the last variation of the N. Nye, nye. First example. Nye, give. Second example. Nyoo, peep. Ngwanu, kodibanu. Thank you. Our Igbo letter for today is the letter O. O. This is probably the only letter in the Igbo alphabet that matches the English alphabet. The letter O. O. Example number 1. Oge. Oge. Time. Used in sentence or phrase. Oge anaghị akwụsị. Oge anaghị akwụsị. Time does not stop. Oge. Second example. Onye. Onye. Who. Used in phrase or sentence. Onye na-akpọ m. Onye na-akpọ m. Who is calling me? Example. Oge. Example. Onye. Daalụnụ. Thank you. Our next letter is the letter O. O. This letter looks like the O, but it's different. If you look closely, you see the dot underneath. So this makes it different. It sounds different. The letter O. O. Example number 1. Obia. Obia. Visitor. Used in phrase or sentence. Example. Onye ọbịa bịara n'ụlọ anyị. Onye ọbịa bịara n'ụlọ anyị. A visitor came to our house. Second example. Ọchị. Ọchị. Used in phrase or sentence. Ọchị bụ ezigbo ọgwụ. Ọchị bụ ezigbo ọgwụ. Laughter is a good medicine. Ọbịa. Ọchị. Ngwanụ, ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. Our next letter is the letter P. P. The English alphabet call this letter P. P. In the Igbo alphabet, this letter is P. P. Example number one. Pota. Pota. Come out. Used in phrase or sentence. Example. Si ebe ahụ pụta. Si ebe ahụ pụta. Come out from there. P. Example number two. Poto poto. Poto poto. Mud. Used in phrase or sentence. Si na ụrọ pụọ. Or you can say si na potopoto pụta. Si na potopoto pụta. Come out from the mud. Pe pụta. Pe potopoto. Ngwanụ, ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. The next letter in the Igbo alphabet is the letter Re. Re. In the English alphabet, this letter is the letter R. Used in a word sentence in Igbo. Example number one. Re. Re. Sell. Used in phrase or sentence. Re ụgbọala. Re ụgbọala. Meaning sell the car. Second example. Rie. Rie. Eat. Used in phrase or sentence. Bịa rie nri. Bịa rie nri. Come and eat. Come and eat food. Bịa rie nri. Come and eat food. Re. Examples. Re. Sell. Rie. Eat. Daalụnụ. Thank you. Our next letter is the letter C. C. In the English alphabet, this is the letter S. Used in word examples. Number one. Sa. Sa. Wash. Used in phrase or sentence example. Number one. Sa aka gị. Sa aka gị. Wash your hands. Number two example. Sie. Sie. Cook. Used in phrase or sentence example. Sie nri na-atọ ụtọ. Sie nri na-atọ ụtọ. Cook a delicious food. The letter S. Example number one. Sa. Wash. Example number two. Sie. Cook. Ngwanụ, ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. The next letter is the letter She. While this letter does not start any word in the Igbo language, you can use it in other words. You can find it in words. The word where you can find it, example, is Isha. Isha is the Igbo word for shrimp. It's spelled ISHA. That's the only Igbo word that I know that has SH in it. But for the purpose of this book, I used she to illustrate sh here. The she, the one that you use to draw people's attention. So used in word or phrase. When you see children making noise, you can say something like shh, emenam boto. That means don't make noise. And the second use here is shh, por ebe ahụ. That means move away from there. Ngwanu, daalụnụ. If you find other Igbo words that starts with the letter SH or has the letter she in it, please put it in the comment section. Thank you. Daalụnụ. The next letter is the letter T. T. This is the typical T in the English alphabet. In the Igbo alphabet, this is the letter T. In the English alphabet, this is the letter T. Used in word example. Number 1, ta. Ta. That means today, day, this day. Used in phrase or sentence. Taa bụ ụbọchị ọma. Taa bụ ụbọchị ọma. Today is a good day. Second example. Tee, tinye. Tee, tinye. That means put or add. Tinye, put. Tinye, add. Used in phrase or sentence. Tinye nri gị n'efere. Tinye nri gị n'efere. Put your food on a plate. Tee, taa. Tee, tinye. Ngwanụ, ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. All right, we are now at the letter U. U. This is the letter U in the English alphabet. In the Igbo alphabet, this letter is U. U. Example number 1. Ude. Ude, lotion. Used in phrase or sentence. A na-ete ude n'ahụ. A na-ete ude n'ahụ. You apply lotion on your body, or lotion is applied on the body. Second example. Ugbo. Ugbo, farm. Used in phrase or sentence. Nna m nwere ala ugbo. Nna m nwere ala ugbo. My father has farmland. Ude. Ugbo. Ngwanụ, ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. All right, the next letter is the letter O. O. This is the same as the letter, almost the letter U, but the difference is this U has a dot at the bottom. The U with the dot at the bottom is the O. O. Example number 1. Oda. Oda means sound. Used in phrase or sentence. Anụrụ m ụda ụgbọala. Anụrụ m ụda ụgbọala. I heard the sound of a car. Second example. Ụbọchị. Ụbọchị, today. Example. Taa bụ ụbọchị ọma. Taa bụ ụbọchị ọma. Today is a good day. U. Example. ụda. O example ụbọchị. Ngwan ka ọ dịbanụ. Thank you. The next letter is the letter V. V. Why there aren't too many words that start with the letter V in the Igbo language? The one I was able to find was vor. This word, people say it in different ways in Igbo. Some people say bor, some people say vor, some people say mbo. So the vor, boy sigi, comb your hair. When somebody say voice sigi, J voice sigi for people that speak that way, or somebody else will say ga bo ishigi. Were mbo bo ishigi. Actually, the mbo means comb, but used in phrases or sentences when you hear ga bo isigi, what is being said is go and comb your hair. Some people will say je vo isigi. It's the same thing. Go and comb your hair. V vor. Thank you. Godibana. Our next letter is the letter way. Way. This is W in the English alphabet. In the Igbo alphabet, this is the letter way. Way. Word example. Number one, wepo. Wepo. Wepo can mean two things in Igbo, in English. When somebody says wepo, they're probably talking about remove or subtract. Wepo. Used in phrase or sentence. Wepo aka gị n'ọkụ. Wepo aka gị n'ọkụ. Remove your hand from the fire. Example number two. Weta. Weta, bring or fetch. You are bringing something or you're fetching something. Use in phrase or sentence. Weta nri. Weta nri. Bring food. Bring food. Ngwanu, kodibanu. Thank you. Our next letter is the letter ye. Ye. This is Y in the in the English alphabet. This is the letter Y in the English alphabet. In the Igbo alphabet, this is the letter ye. Ye. Used in word example number one. Yiri. Yiri. Resemble. Used in phrase or sentence. Ụmụ ejima ndị a yiri onwe ha. Ụmụ ejima ndị a yiri onwe ha. These twins resemble themselves. Example number two. Yiwe. Yiwe, put on. Used in phrase or sentence. Yiwe nwata ahụ uwe. Yiwe nwata ahụ uwe. Get that child dressed. Yi. Example, yiri. Yi. Example, yiwe. Ngwanu, kodibanu. Thank you. All right, so we've come to the end of the Igbo letters. Igbo alphabet. The last letter of the Igbo alphabet is the letter Z. Z, used in word example number 1. Za, za. This means to answer. Used in phrase or sentence. Ozaram ajụjụ. Ozaram ajụjụ. He or she answered my questions. Example number 2. Z, z, to show. Used in phrase or sentence. Biko zim ụzọ. Biko zim ụzọ. Please show me the road. Z, example, za. Z, example, zi. Ngwanu, dalinu. Thank you. Thank you for reading through this book with me. Everyday Igbo Words for Beginners. I hope you find it interesting. If you have not purchased your copy, please do so. They are available at the Amazon Marketplace, Walmart, Target, online. Please get a copy for yourself, for your loved ones, for your children. Thank you so much. And please keep an eye out for my other videos. All right. Dalano, Himela. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.